Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Okay, I hope that you will be fine, you will be good. Okay, in this lecture we will also will discuss about exact equation also as in the studied in the earlier lecture. But in this lecture we will study that the equation which is not an exact but the equation can be reduced to exact equation. For example, this let us see this mxy dx, this is equation number 1. If it is not exact, maybe the rule which is defined in the previous lecture is not satisfied about exact equation, means that partial m over partial y does not equal to partial n over partial x, then equation is not exact equation. If it is not exact, you have verified that exact equation is not exact, then we will make it exact. We will make it exact by multiplying 1 by integrating factor by some integrate. This is the special term, which is a particular term, integrating factor, which is to be multiplied to this equation, this expression, to make it an exact equation. This is the IF, means integrating factor. Integrating factor depends upon the nature of the equation, nature of this equation. If the equation is is such that equation is the type of this in which my minus nf over n equals partial function of x, equal function of x, only x, you will find my, you will find nx over n. If you can see that this is the only function of x, this includes only x, then integrated factor will be equal to exponential integral p of x, function of this dx. Okay, you will multiply this integrated factor to this equation to make to make this exact. If this is not true, you will not getting part, this is a function of x, then you will see that you will check that nx minus my over m equals function of y. This is function of y, then integrated factor will be this exponential integral qy dy. This means this factor, this expression will be integrated exponentially in respect to y. After this, the third rule is that also there exists a third rule, mdx plus ndy equals 0. If this equation you are seeing that this equation is homogeneous equation, degree in terms m, degree in n are the same, then equation will be homogeneous equation. And xm, you will multiply m by x, you will multiply n by y, and sum will be non-zero, then this factor will be integrated factor 1 over this. You do not need to integrate this, you will get this will be the integrated factor, you will multiply this. If next for fourth rule is that to make the exact equation the exact form, is this mdx plus ndy equals 0 is of the following form. Y is taken as common from m, x is taken as common and from n, function of x equal 0 dy. Okay, this form you will get, then the integrated factor and also x minus y not equal to 0, the equation will be exact after integrated factor. This integrated factor 1 over this will be the integrated factor. Let us see example of the 4 cases. One is that this equation, solve this equation. Now I check, first of all I check that either it is exact or not. This is my will be 4y, this one, and this is the n, and this n in derivative of n respect to x will be equal to 2y. This is not equal, these are two different terms, different partial derivatives, so it is equation is not an exact equation. This is not an exact. We will see that, we will check my minus nx over n. After doing this subtraction and for solving this expression, you will find that 4y minus 2y of this f of x only. Okay, you see that integrative factor will be this. After integral of this exponential integral 1 over x, this factor will be integrated with respect to x. This one, integral of this one is natural log of x, exponential natural log of x or antilog, this is cancelled, you will get only x. This is the integrative factor. You will multiply this integrative factor to the given equation to make it an exact equation. You will multiply this x by the given equation to make it an exact equation. You will multiply x by this equation, you will get this, multiply the x, you will multiply x cubed minus 2x cubed plus 2xy square, you will get and plus 2x2y, this one, which is an exact equation. You can solve this equation by the previous method, which is discussed in the previous lecture. Okay, after this one more example is here, that is that dx plus x over y minus sin y equals dy equals 0 into y. You will get you will see m equal 1, this is the n, this is the n, multiply with dy n, my partial derivative of m with respect to y is 0, this is the n, partial derivative of n with respect to x is equal to 1 over y, and y not equal to x, so equation is not exact. This expression tells us that equation is not exact equation. Equation is not an exact equation. If y minus n over n equals this, you will get we are not getting a single variable y or x in this expression, so not a function of x or y only. So we will apply second rule, that is nx minus my over m equals 1 y minus 1 over 1, m is 1. After doing this expression, we will get 1 over y minus 1, this is minus 1 also. You will this is a function of y, only y, function of m was 0. Okay, you will get 1 over y, you will get 1 over y and function of y, and you will integrate this with respect to y. Integrate factor exponential this 1 over y dy, integrate factor will be equal to only y variable, this variable y, this term y will be multiplied to the given equation to make this an exact equation. We will multiply this, we get y dx plus y dy equal to 0, and y is cancelled, x minus y sin y equal to 0. This is an exact equation. You can solve this equation by applying the technique for which is discussed in the previous lecture for the exact equation. Next one example is that y minus x y square, y minus x y square. This equation is of the form of the fourth form. Fourth rule will be applied here. Y is taken as common from dx, y is taken, y x is taken as common from n, x is taken out. You will see that x minus yn equals this. How do we in the next lecture we will discuss this question, we will discuss this case. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Also you can subscribe my channel, I will be very thankful to you, so that so many videos would be watched, would be offering suggested to you. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.